income is defined as Y, and you try to buy X. Now, if you are the monopolist, you can sell this bundle X star to him. Right? You're not selling one, you're selling the entire thing. You're selling the entire thing. Now, if you're selling the entire thing to this person, so you're selling the entire thing X star to this person. And there are two things you can do. If you charge him P for X star, so this is your X star line. Now that means in mathematics, every point on this line, X equals X star. You agree? Every point on this line. So if I sell P star, I charge him $100 for 100 units. If you don't buy, then its X will be 0. This remaining income, don't forget, Y is defined as remaining income. Yeah. This remaining income will be M, right? So if you don't buy, it will be here. This utility will be this. Now, if he buy, that depends on how much I charge him. If I charge him $10 for 100 units, I charge him a very low price. Now, if I charge him a very low price, then his remaining income will be N minus P0. Agree? If I charge him very little, $10, so therefore his income will fall by this. And he paid P0, he get X star. So where will he be? Now, so if I charge him P0 for X star, so his remaining income will be here, but his X star will be here. You agree or not? Will he buy? I think this guy will buy. 100% will buy. Why? Because by buying, you'll be here, and then this bundle is the utility higher. Yes, this is the utility if he don't buy. Don't buy is here. And so its utility is this. Now, if he buy for this bundle, because utility curve are all parallel to each other, I'm sure he will buy. Because his utility is higher. You understand? Okay, so if you are the monopolist, you try to rip this guy off. What's the highest price you can charge him? Now you squeeze everything off from him. What's the highest P I can charge him? Find for me the P star. Okay, naturally, if I charge him a very high price, better. If I charge him a very high price, then I charge him very high P1. Now, if I charge him very high P1 for X star, his remaining income will fall until his remaining income will be very low. You agree? The P1 is extremely big. So his remaining income will be here. And so you'll be here. This bundle will be here. So you'll get point C. You all agree or not? You will get bundle C. You will get X star, but remaining income is N minus P1. Will you buy it? You charge him P1, will he buy? You will not buy. How you know? Now why you say you will not buy? Because if you buy, and this bundle his utility is higher or lower? Lower than if you don't buy. Don't buy, at least you get 2-0. Okay, you all understand now? Okay, if you tell me you understand that, can you tell me what's the maximum price we can charge you? The highest price. Can you tell me what's the highest price I can charge this person? And yet you will buy. see the question says take it or leave it offer. It's like real, the monopoly is not interested. I offer you P star, you buy or don't buy. Right, you can act out. I'm sure you don't buy, you don't buy. Right, you also want to sell, right? So what's the highest P star you can charge? So that is found at where? Where this line intersect where? This curve. Where you don't buy. And this intersection point. Understand? This is the highest price you can charge. Not more than that. So this is the highest price. N minus P1. So it's in, no. This P star, sorry. P star. The highest price you can charge is P star. Then its remaining income will be here, and you get X star. That's the highest you can charge. So it's found when these two not intersect. When you don't buy, you get this. Okay? When this line and this line intersect, this is the highest you can charge you. Clear enough? You cannot charge you more anymore. Anything more than P star. Can you all see? Anything more than P star means its ETD will be lower than you not. P star is just about right. It's about the point where it becomes indifferent. Understand? Because if you charge him, the highest you can charge him is P star. You cannot go beyond P star. Because anything beyond P star means you'll go below here for X star. This for X star. This for X star. The UTT will all be lower than if you don't buy. Okay? You understand? Okay, so the highest price is P star. It's found where the X star line intersect. Okay, example, very simple. Next time I ask you. Okay, see here for a while, still don't understand. You want to sell this as star. Okay? Just see here for a while. So every point on this line is X star. Now the highest price you can charge. If you don't buy, X will be 0. This remaining income will be N. So if you don't buy, you will be here. Don't buy, how much UTD you get? Here. So this time, just look at this one. What's the highest price we can charge you? For X star, find for me P star for X star. Where is this found? Here. See here for one. Here. If you don't buy, this is the UTD. So where these two lines intersect, this is the highest. The highest you can charge him is P star. The P star is found at this point. Why? Because it's about to turn indifferent already. Anytime you charge him more than this, that will have put him here. Okay? Anytime you charge more than this, then it will be lower, and he will be here. You pay P1 for X star, so he will be at this bundle. And I think you can see for yourself, this bundle is on this UTT curve, lower. So I think optimally this time you just have to know, right? The lowest you can go is P1, P star. So the 2 lines intersect. Clear? Why not above? Above also doesn't make sense. If it's here, I just show you just now, if it's here, you charge him so little, then you'll be here. If it's here, then what happened? For sure he will buy. Right or not? It's higher than if you don't buy. You follow? So I think the highest you can charge him is where the X star line intersect the U0 curve. You follow? So in future, so obvious here, right? Anything more than P star for X star, UTTs all lower than if you don't buy. Okay? Any question? So this time you have to think too much. What's the highest P star you can charge you? Where's the point? The highest P star you can charge you is down here.